Hyundai Motor Company, often abbreviated to Hyundai Motors and commonly known as Hyundai, is a South Korean multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Seoul, South Korea. Hyundai Motor Company was founded in 1967. The 2017 Hyundai Elantra GT is the hatchback version of the Elantra sedan and offers its own set of features. As of my last update in September 2021, here are some of the features commonly associated with the 2017 Hyundai Elantra GT. The Hyundai Elantra GT is a compact hatchback that offers practicality, style, and a range of features. It's known for its versatility and efficient use of space. Here are some general features and specifications for the Hyundai Elantra GT. Engine options: 2.0-liter inline-4 engine. Power output varies by model year and trim. Transmission typically comes with a manual or automatic transmission. Drive configuration: front-wheel drive forward is standard. Interior features: seating capacity generally accommodates 5 passengers. Infotainment system features a touchscreen infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility may be available. Cargo space: the hatchback design allows for a more spacious cargo area compared to traditional sedans. Safety features: standard safety features, airbags, stability control, traction control, etc. Driver assistance features depending on the model year. Driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and others may be available. Exterior design: hatchback design. The Elantra GT features a hatchback design, providing a sporty and versatile exterior. Wheel options: various wheel designs and sizes, depending on the trim level. Trim levels: the Elantra GT is typically available in multiple trim levels, which may include base trims and more feature-rich versions. Fuel efficiency: the Elantra GT is designed to be fuel efficient, with fuel economy varying based on factors such as engine choice and driving conditions. Warranty: Hyundai vehicles typically come with a standard warranty that includes a limited bumper-to-bumper warranty and a longer powertrain warranty. Additional features: panoramic sunroof, depending on the model and trim. A panoramic sunroof may be available. Sport-tuned suspension: some versions of the Elantra GT may feature a sport-tuned suspension for a more dynamic driving experience. Recent model years: the Elantra GT may undergo updates and changes with each model year. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's recommended to check with a Hyundai dealership or refer to the official Hyundai website. Please note that specific features, engine options, and design elements can vary by model year and trim level. It's advisable to check the details of the particular Elantra GT you're interested in for the most accurate information.